All right. Happy Monday.
Happy Margarita Monday. Here you go.
October 9th, 50% off of everything.
Everything.
I will be here.
And yeah, y'all come check this store out. The manager was super nice. He saw our cameras, didn't freak out. We're going back to Texas Thrift. And nobody's blaming anybody today because it's everybody's fault. We made peace with it. We made peace with our vices.
Let's feel that in the air.
Oh, yes. We can all.
That crisp fall air.
Yes.
It burns. I like the sound of that flapping. 50% off.
I don't know, but I'm hitting up denim. Denim, denim, denim. Now it is packed in here.
I don't even know where to go.
For the corduroy bag. That's some color. What is this fabric called?
It's giving hair metal band.
Yeah.
And
Aquanet? That's a good pair. All right, we gotta get out of here. For not being happy, we got a whole lot of stuff. We got our wagon. We're moving.
I got those. You got the triple Cuba purse? That's a really nice bag.
It is. So we bought a wagon so that we can be more environmentally friendly. So thank you to the person who suggested that.
That's for my man.
It's for my man.
And this.
This is for my man. Thank you to my man. Barry John Hughes main character sweater.
And that.
I'm not caring. No. We're going to another store.
We are. We got to. Not like we didn't get enough stuff, but we got to.
Never too. Definitely got enough. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. These are embroidered.
We don't need nothing. These are crisscross shapes.
Where are you gonna find this other blue?
We gonna dye some. All we gotta do is dye the strip blue.
Who gonna die?
Okay, Red Diamond got a Safari Blue online. Amazon. $7.99.
Yes.
Yay.
Wait, is it gonna sit like that in the back too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's go.
But they're having another sale though. Veterans Day. November 11th. No, we can't. That's our drop day.
Right, so I mean, what are we
We'll be done. We'll be done. We'll be done.
Completion of it, so I mean, like, why not celebrate at a thrift store?
Now we gotta lift this cart into the car.
I need a blueprint sweatshirt to go with my orange pants in LA.
Oh.
Can it go in? This?
You knew this was a bad idea.
Oh, shit. Okay, let's try it.
Okay. We about to get sprayed in the face.
I mean, like, y'all can survive if y'all want to.
I got the keys.
And since we didn't quite get the thrift experience that we were wanting, we went over to the store that started it all for me, Family Thrift Center. And I found this amazing coat. Oh my gosh. And we added that stuff on top of the other stuff and left. Oh.
So we can open the door.
Oh, sorry.
My tummy hurts. We can't lift anything. This is ridiculous.
And once we had gotten pretty much everything on our list, of course we had to eat lunch. Some people in here took part of the free margaritas today. Cheers. She's fine. It's not even a drink, it's the eating. She full and she got the itis.
Yes, big time. It knocked her out.
Yes, so we're gonna haul and then we'll wake her up. I'm very excited about this haul. And I got a few things that are for myself. We did announce that we are going to LA together to celebrate Tiara and her fashion show. So that means that all of us are trying to figure out what we're going to wear. What look are we going to wear? So I found the perfect thing to be the showcase piece for my look.
And it's a winner, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see it.
So we had a list of things that we wanted to get. First of all, we got a ton of white dress shirts. And these are for, it'll pop up on the screen, these are for the bishop sleeve white blouse.
Very excited for that design.
Yes, bishop sleeves are her favorite. Yep, they're going to go straight to the washing machine. Those were like in between, probably about $3 average per one. So we got all the ones that were on sale. So I'm happy about that. Then we got a bunch of black blazers because I want to do a corseted blazer where it has grommets in the back and corset ties in the back and maybe corset ties in the front. We're going to experiment with that. So we got a bunch of those that were on sale. The average price was about what? $4?
4, maybe 5.
Yeah, at the most $5. So we got those at the Family Thrift Center. And we're really excited about that because we like prices have been going up. But y'all look at this blazer. Look at the color. Like the color of that is so pretty. It's like a mustard.
Mm-hmm. A man that wears this, I just feel like Sade's Smooth Operator's playing in the background.
That one and that one too.
Smooth Operator.
Look at this corduroy one.
Yeah, any man wearing something like this, you know he can talk a smooth game.
Yeah, yeah.
I need me a sugar daddy jacket like this.
What?
I didn't.
She said she need a sugar daddy like 5 times. More than that.
Manifesting.
No, get the black shirt. 5 times a day, at least, minimum.
Because I'm always reminded that I need one.
Do you say it when you're not around us?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to do a few things with the blazers.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a few upcycles that we're going to do with the blazers. Then, this is something I got. I don't know. I got this at Family Thrift Center. I don't know if I'm going to cut it up or not because it does have some damage. But I love this.
We got to be careful when Slice and Dice sees some clothes because she'll just start slicing and dicing and then it'll be a fashion casualty looking like a massacre.
Oh, but it has like, look.
That can be restitched.
But I like this. It's a whole trench coat.
He also got some ties because I haven't made a bucket hat in a cool minute, but I want to do a fun one. So they had these prepackaged neckties, and I saw a couple in here that I feel would make a really fun hat. And now I get to see what's in it.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
Too good to cut?
Yes.
Good.
This is so good.
You better not walk in and see no specks of.
But you know I've been looking for a damaged one of these. Though.
Okay, so Merry Christmas.
So they were selling bags of ties. So look at that one. This one looks like Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo.
This one is Tasmanian Devil with the red hot chili peppers.
Give it away, give it away, give it away now.
And then
they're cute.
Those are Shell says she's gonna try to take those.
Both of y'all trying to take these pants.
I know, but I got white.
You just said you have 3 pair.
Yep. And then this one, oh, is a Christmas tie. That it? Yep. Then we got this cream pair of jeans, I guess, but the material's a little bit interesting. I don't know if you can see.
It's like a corduroy denim hybrid.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see the texture of those, but they're really long and they're kind of like wide. These were $7.99, but on sale, half off, so they were $4.
That's the way it's supposed to be.
Yep.
We got a ton, and I do mean a ton of denim.
Yeah.
Like, to the point where we shouldn't be walking out looking at another pair of denim for at least, I'm not going to say on record, because just in case I feel like.
Nobody wants
just
to be taken on record for saying nothing.
Right, just in case I feel like, you know, today would be a great day for thrifting and burgers.
That's the receipt.
And I catch you on a, okay. Kind of mood.
Yes, you always catch me on an okay kind of mood.
I just kind of just fill out, you know, do a little temp check.
You do.
So that is one thing I'm super happy about. So we got a lot of denim, especially in smaller sizes, because
Yes.
some of you guys have been asking for smaller size denim. So we definitely score big today.
Yes.
And we'll be able to deliver on that for y'all. So happy news, not just for us, but for y'all as well.
Yep.
Now, the real gem, honey, one of the gems of today is these electric blue denim jeans. And unfortunately, my little thicker than a Snicker self cannot fit, but they will be blessing somebody. So,
and we can't decide. Tiara and Keisha are going back and forth between like what they want to do with it.
mm-hmm.
You want to make.
I say embroidery jeans, but that's just my opinion.
And Shell says to do the
crisscross with a project, a home project, a Rit dyeing some fabric.
Yeah,
we'll see how that goes.
Yeah,
and then
the piece a la Resistance.
Mm-hmm. I spotted this while I was looking on the hunt for something. I'm just like, I saw two of them. I'm just like, that's a sign, because who just sees this particular piece just.
But she tried to just like say it like offhandedly, like, oh, blah blah blah, and I'm like, you saw what?
She did. She just stopped me in my tracks. She's like, where'd you see this?
Because you probably would never think I would be interested.
I did not. I was this pleasantly surprised and unlocked another side of Angelina that I wasn't sure was there, but it come from my soul and my dark sense of humor to know that, you know, she got a little spice. She got a little spice.
I found leather jackets. You guys who have been with me. You guys have been with me for a long time. You know that half the stuff I make is darn near like chaps. So, I mean, it is. Like the garter blouse. Yeah. Like everything with straps on it. Like I love straps. Like anything with straps.
You got to say for garters.
I do. She free. But I love these. They were expensive. They were $30. But the quality. Yes, I did put them on. I guess I'll share your clip.
Record it sideways.
Do a little twirl for the girl. Ooh. No. Oh. Trust me, we gonna wait until her unveiling when she puts her whole look together. But trust and believe, y'all gonna see this end result. Yes. Trust and believe.
And I am wearing these to her runway show. So.
Brown chicken,
So I am
not Rita.
I'm excited. Oh, what if I had money in the pocket?
You know what? I'll be afraid to check the pockets now ever since Shell had that tissue in the pocket.
But the pockets are super deep. And then the sides can open up too. I don't know how we gonna style this. Y'all let us know in the comments how y'all
gonna make it work.
How y'all think I should style these. But it's gonna be good, whatever it is. And I'm excited. Because I wanted a piece, like when you go to a runway show, like you have to wear something that stands out. Like you have to put on that street style. It's got to be popular. So that's definitely a piece that's gonna be popular.
And we're in bougie Beverly Hills, honey.
Yes.
So
we are gonna be in Beverly Hills.
Looks have to be served.
Exactly.
So trust and believe, yes, this is all gonna come together. What you see right now, this is just my 9 to 5. Look, okay, look away.
Look away.
Give me one margarita.
No.